Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The euro dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Facebook Inc. rejected two proposals intended to diminish Chief Executive Officer Mark Zuckerberg's control over the company, an expected, though disappointing outcome for those worried about the CEO's power. British mid-caps rose, boosted by solid earnings from companies including Marks & Spencer, while Vectura Group topped the mid-cap index after agreeing to a takeover by the Carlyle Group. Arbitrum, a roll-up platform from Off-Chain Labs, is going live this week with over 150 projects having requested early access.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. non-defense capital goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. gross domestic product annualized at 12:30 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 600 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence will be released at 500 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.